Hey guys, so I was going out tonight and I thought I might as well record. I'm always inspired by the 60s and 70s, and I thought we'll do a little more of a mob wife 70s mob wife. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching.
Starting off strong with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Cream, followed by the moisturizer, the Magic Cream Moisturizer. Looks amazing under every foundation. Then going in with my foundation, packing that on with my Beauty Blender. If you don't know, now you know. Little concealer under the eye. This gets rid of any discoloration. Going in with the Contour Wand, Charlotte Tilbury, my go-to for all my contouring. Next, I'm going to go over that with some bronzer. Just really go in and accentuate, giving that nice 1970s look. Taking some highlighting, the lightest color I have, putting it all over. Going in with some nice blush, like I'm using a peachy orange. Taking my contour wand and going very subtly around my lips, followed by some winged out eyeliner. Using the Pat McGrath under eyes and Pat McGrath mascara. Doing my brows a little exaggerated. Going in with that crease, some smoking it out. A little bottom mascara, which I don't always do. I learned this technique from Pat McGrath to start blotting the lips, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.